भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन भलायकीच्या मळार खासगीकरणाचो सपाटो लायला। ताका नोकरशाये बरोबरच विरोधकांनी हरकत घेतल्या। गोंय राज्याचो अर्थ सचिव दौलत हवालदार म्हणटा, नोकरशायेच्या उणावाक लागून गोंय सरकार भलायकी मळाचे खासगीकरण करपाक सोदता, पूण हो पर्याय योग्य न्हय। खासगीकरणाचेर पुरायेन भिस्त दवरली जाल्यार देशातल्या गरिबांची परिस्थिती वायट जातली। लोकशाय असंवेदनशील जायत चल्ल्या अशें सांगतना लोकांचो नोकरशायेवेलो विश्वास आटपाक लागिल्ल्याचे हवालदारान मान्य केले।
डॉक्टर नारायण देसायाच्या जागरियाचे कुकारे ह्या कोंकणी पुस्तकाच्या प्रकाशना वेळार तो उलयतालो। मडगांवच्या रवींद्र भवनात जाल्ले हे कार्यावळीक समाजीक वावुरपी रोलंड मार्टिन्स, लेखक नारायण देसाय, goanews.comचो संपादक संदेश प्रभुदेसाय, संजना पब्लिकेशनाचो दिनेश मणेरकार हजर आशिल्ले। संदेश प्रभुदेसायान लेखक नारायण देसायची प्रकट मुलाखत घेतली। नारायण देसायान पुस्तकाचो हेत सांगलो जाल्यार रोलंड मार्टिन्सान कायद्याची पुस्तकां अजून राजभाषेत येवंक नाशिल्ल्याची खंत उक्तायली। समाजात आयज महत्वाच्या विशयांचेर चर्चाच जायना अशें ह्या वेळार हवालदारान सांगलें।
I have seen a lot of officials, even at a lower level. I have seen them. They change very fast. The moment they occupy some important position. So there is nothing specific to any individual. But if you become a member of a bureaucracy, you start slightly behaving differently. And most of the times, the inhumanness which starts creeping in you. In a modern times, particularly in the West, what is the alternative for a bureaucracy? Yes, most of the sociologists, economists, they thought in the West that yes, there is an alternative. And particularly when the entire world is going right, there has been a total decline of left. So rightists started saying yes, market is the alternative for a bureaucracy. And there were certain moves I have seen recently to privatize some of the district hospitals and even privatize partly the GMC. Personally, I am not much in favor of that. I feel yes, if you privatize everything as an alternative to a bureaucracy which is negative, things possibly can get worse, and things can get worse more for the poor. I was reading whatever newspapers I was reading, I was watching TV, and I was also carrying a general hope that yes, the young people in India will behave differently. I mean, differently in the sense what I was expecting, as per my expectations. It did not happen.
पोरणे गोंयच्या फेस्ताच्या वेळार गोवा फॉरवर्डाचो मुखेली विजय सरदेसाय मिडिया कडेन उलयलो। शिवसेने खातीर वापरिल्ल्या थर्ड क्लास ह्या उतराचेर ताणें प्रतिक्रिया दिली। शिक्षण मंत्री हरीश झांटये आपल्या कार्यकाळात गोंयांत खाजगी इंजिनियरिंग कॉलेज हाडपाक सोदतालो त्या वेळार विद्यार्थ्यांनी खर विरोध केल्ल्यान तें गोंयांत येवपाक पावलें ना हाची याद करून दितना विजय सरदेसायान भलायकी मंत्री राणेन चलयल्ल्या सरकारी हॉस्पिटलांच्या खाजगीकरणाचेर खर भाश्य केलें। पळयात।
Bringing capitation colleges has never been debated in Goa, and it requires thorough debate and thorough discussion, because a huge agitation against the Bodhitala Trust when Harish Zhatiye wanted to bring a engineering capitation college from Hyderabad of the Bodhitala Trust. There was a huge agitation brought by the then student community to oppose the capitation college. From then onwards, Goa has never had capitation colleges. Okay, if you are going to have a capitation college, what is going to be the percentage of Goans who are going to be admitted in it? What is the employment that it's going to create? These are the questions you just cannot take a decision without debating it. And if you speak against it, you are going to say that these guys are third class.
पणजेच्यान आमचे व्हिडिओ पत्रकार अनिकेत नार्वेकार।